If your GMC Acadia has power to the radio and dash but the engine won't turn over, you likely have a voltage or signal issue. 70% of these cases are caused by a battery that has enough juice for lights, but not enough cold cranking amps for the starter. Before you call a tow truck, let's run through the diagnostic checklist to isolate the failure. Start with the basics by checking your battery terminals and trying to start the vehicle in neutral to rule out the safety switch. The most common culprits are weak battery cells that fail under load or a starter solenoid that has simply reached its end of life. Don't overlook the electronics. A dead key fob battery can prevent the immobilizer from allowing the engine to fire. If a jump start gets you moving, your battery or alternator is the issue. If it still won't crank, look toward the starter motor. Repair costs vary significantly, ranging from a simple battery swap to a more expensive alternator or starter replacement. A classic trick is the tap test. Gently striking the starter motor can sometimes reset worn brushes for one final start. You'll need a basic socket set and a multimeter to properly test the battery's resting voltage and ground continuity. Many Acadia starting issues are actually caused by poor ground connections rather than failed components. Check those battery terminals first, and if this guide helped you get your Acadia started, hit the subscribe button for more.